The built-in tools on the Samsung Interactive Display WAF put classroom-enhancing features at your fingertips. Use the Intuitive Tools menu to emphasize a point, illustrate a process, or brainstorm with the class. After accessing the sidebar menu and pressing the markup tool, you can draw or annotate seamlessly on any on-screen content, even live video. Or use the markup tool to add notes on diagrams or text in vibrant colors. And when you need to erase your notes, use your palm to wipe them away, just as you might on a whiteboard. The benefit of an interactive board is that everything can be saved for later. Press the markup button and the green download button to capture the annotations, save them, and then share. Another feature teachers will love is the built-in timer. Put it on the board for time-sensitive experiments or group work deadlines. The recording tool lets you record lessons for absent students, create flipped classroom content, or capture student presentations for later assessment. The onboard recording tool makes it easy to record and to save to the board, a thumb drive, or your connected cloud drive account. Lastly, the new and improved screen sharing app allows you to display content from up to 9 devices simultaneously on the board. Find the app on the home screen and follow the prompts to mirror devices. The board can broadcast content to student devices too, improving visibility and keeping students on track with the lesson. Use your own blend of these interactive tools to boost engagement, collaboration, and fun in the classroom.